another geography class today. Let's see our today's simple thought. Follow your dreams. Always run after your dreams. Always follow your dreams so that you can achieve success in your life. Okay, if you follow your dreams. Let's continue with our lesson number 8, which we have already started, isn't it? All natural resources. So let's see what we have to study today. Today, children, we had to see in the last period, in last geography period, we saw the uses of forest, that is uses of plants, isn't it? You get so many things from the plants, isn't it? We saw those uses. I think it must be somewhere here. Like you get food from the plants, we get fruits from the plants, we get medicines from the plants, wood, rubber, resin, so many things you get from the plants. But we have actually classified the plants on the basis of different temperature zones. Remember temperature zones we saw in the second and third lesson? Temperate zone, tropical, isn't it? Frigid zone, torrid zone, temperate zone, isn't it? It's according to the different temperatures. Like on equator you have the maximum temperatures, highest temperatures. As you start going upwards, temperature comes down, isn't it? So on the basis of the distribution of temperature, you get different types of forest, you get different types of plants. Okay, so names we have given to those plants, isn't it? Till now you know that in general science plants are classified as herbs, shrubs, trees, isn't it? Like that. But actually in geography, if we see na, on the basis of different temperature zones, plants are basically classified as, see, the first type of plant, it is equatorial evergreen forest. See, equatorial evergreen forest, I would like to show you in detail. Yes, these are the equatorial evergreen forest. Okay, but what is the specialty of this equatorial forest, children? See, equatorial evergreen forest, here the rainfall is heavy and is found throughout the year. Okay, so these forests are found in warm and wet region, because you know very well on the equator it has a maximum temperature, so climate is always warm, isn't it? Heat, and that's why you get this. So this climate is perfect for the growth of tall plants, huge trees, plants. That's why they are the equatorial evergreen forest. You will always see greenery here. See how dense na forest, evergreen forest, isn't it? Because here rainfall is heavy as well as warm, and this particular climate weather is perfect for the growth of trees, plants, isn't it? So they are called equatorial evergreen forest. Understood? Let's see the second type of forest. It is deciduous forest. Again, I would like to repeat this word, new to you, deciduous forest. Let's see which are these deciduous forest. These are the equatorial evergreen forest, deciduous forest. The speciality of these forests, na, the leaves they fall very fast, especially just like winter season. See, you can see the leaves, they have fallen from the trees, isn't it? How the color it changes, isn't it? This is the speciality of deciduous forest. Okay, the leaves fall very easily. Deciduous forest, they lose their leaves in fall. Yes, they lose, these trees they lose their leaves very fast, but the leaves are broad, wide and flat. Yes, they are broad, wide and flat. Okay, they are broad. If you see the leaves of these plants, they are broad. See how wide they are, long, wide and flat also. This is the speciality of deciduous forest. These leaves falls very fast. Then next one is the tropical grasslands. Yes, tropical grasslands. So let's see which are these tropical grasslands. Equatorial evergreen forest, deciduous forest, tropical grasslands, especially the savanna in Africa. See, grasslands, how they look. Only grasslands, short grass you see here. This is the speciality of tropical grasslands. Okay, as you go slightly upwards, as you go slightly up from the equator, you get this tropical grassland. See, only grass you get, only some small trees you will see here, shrubs we can say, isn't it? So this is the quality of tropical grasslands. Let's read out the information about the tropical grasslands. A mixture of trees and grass. Yes, see, a mixture of trees and grass. Large amount of grass and less number of trees. So it is a mixture of grass and trees. Okay, tropical grasslands. Let's see which is the next one. So tropical grasslands. After tropical grassland, thorny scrubs. Now from the name itself, it tells you thorny means thorns, spines, काटे असलेले. Thorny scrubs. Thorny scrubs. Scrubs means what? Small plants, like shrubs. Small plants. Scrubs is what? Small plants. Thorny scrubs. Plants with thorns. So let's see. Huh. Yes, you can see spines, trees, plants, small plants with spines, isn't it? काटे असलेली झाडं, छोटी झुडपं. They are the thorny scrubs. Okay, so this is the speciality of thorny scrubs. Let's read out the information what is written. Thorny scrubs. Leaves are thick and small, and trees with thorns. Yes, leaves are thick and small, but the speciality of these thorny scrubs, it has thorns. Okay, let's see the next one. After thorny scrubs, what you get is the temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands. Let's see what is the speciality of temperate grasslands. See here, grasslands. How is temperate grass? You will see only grass. So this is the temperate grasslands. You will see only grass. Very few trees you will notice here. Only this grass. Okay. Let's see what information is written about the temperate grasslands. Consists of grass and shrubs. It consists of only grass and small plants, that is shrubs. If you see here, no huge trees like here. No trees. Only grass you will notice here. Okay, no shrubs. Sorry, only grass with shrubs means small plants, but no huge trees or plants. Okay, so let's continue again. These are the equatorial evergreen forest because the climate is perfect for the growth of tall trees, always warm and heavy rainfall. Then the deciduous forest, the leaves fall very fast. If you see these leaves now, they are long, flat, wide, but they fall very easily. Then tropical grasslands, you will see grass along with some trees, small trees we can say. And then thorny scrubs, small plants, shrubs with thorns. Okay, then these are the temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands, you will see only grass here, no trees, but only grass with small plants, that is shrubs. Okay, so this is about rest of the types of the plants will continue in the next period, children. Okay, again I would like to repeat: equatorial evergreen forest, then deciduous forest, tropical grasslands, thorny scrubs, and temperate grasslands. See here, equatorial evergreen forest, deciduous forest, tropical grasslands, only grass with some small trees, thorny scrubs, all thorns, spines. This is temperate grasslands. Okay, so this is all for your today's geography lesson, children. We will again meet in the next geography period. Okay.